Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Defender protection history empty still get notifications programs are being blocked. First method is open File Explorer, click 3 dots, click Options, click View tab, check Show hidden files, folders, and drives. Copy file path from description and paste it. Open Service folder, delete all files and folders. Type Windows Security in Windows search bar, click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings. Turn off and turn on real-time protection and cloud-delivered protection. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy PowerShell command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.